Where'd the music go? Where'd the music go? Do you want more music? Music? Hey, hi guys. Hi guys. I'm way over here. So I'm in Fort Myers. I'm back in Florida for a week, and I'm at the Nauti Parrot, which is a restaurant in Fort Myers. It's on the water, actually, out back on the other side. And this is the Nauti Parrot that this place is named after. And I used to periodically come up here and play for him, so I thought, while I still have one pan down here in Florida, that I would come back by one more time and play. So I did a little recording earlier, and then I decided to go live with you guys, because you guys are my guys. And yeah, thanks for being here. Thanks for following on this journey. And okay, want some more music? Want some more music? Can you say hello? He talks, he really does talk, but he's not talking a lot today. He did say hello earlier. Hopefully it's on the other video when I post it. What? You want more music? Say music, music, music. Brr. Brr. bark? Was that a bark? That sounds like a cat. Hello. Barks. What? What? Hello. 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 Come on, you said hello before. Say hello to the people. Say hello to the people. Come on. You can. I don't want to hear you bark. 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 That's a cat purring. That's a cat purring. Say hello. What? What? Come on. Say hello. Come on, say hello. Hey. Hey. You're so loud. You're just so You're so loud. Shh. No? Don't want it too close to you, huh? What? 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 You're so pretty. You are such a pretty bird. You're so pretty. You're not a cat. You're not a cat. You're not a dog. You're so funny. What? Oh, you got an itch. You got an itch. Did you get it? So you got it. What? What? I have to go. I have to go. Be nice. Naughty Parrot. You're laughing at it. Come here, people can't see you. Come here, come over here. Come to this side. Come on, come on. There we go. Come back over here. Come back over here. Come on. Come on. Huh? All right. You found something over there. Oh, look, you found something to eat. What is that? You're holding it, but I can't see what it is. Hanging off your beak. Okay, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. I have a ton of stuff to do today. I just happen to have a doctor's appointment near the Nauti Parrot, so I thought I would swing by. But here, you want a close up of the bird? Let's see if we can't do a really good close up of him. But here, you want a close up of the bird? Let's see if we can't do a really good close up of him. He's such a beautiful bird. Hang on. Let's move this down here a little bit. Can you say hello? Say hello. No, don't bark. Say hello. Don't bark. Say hello. Can you say hello? Come on, say hello. No? Ooh? You laughing? You want some more music? You want more music? You want more? I'll do one more. I'll do one more for you. I'll do one more for you. Okay. Whoops. We'll do one more. Well, this might be way too loud for you guys. It's right on you. Well, this might be way too loud for you guys. It's right on you. Sorry. All right. Okay, you're hurting my ears now. Okay, you're hurting my ears now. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Play. Say play. Play. What? What? You're not a... What? What? Come on. What? You want me to play? You're funny. You're too noisy. You're always too loud. I couldn't live with you in my house, that's for sure. No. You're not a dog. You're not a dog. You're not a dog. You're not a dog. What? What? Okay. Okay, guys. I think I'm out of here. Me and the Nauti Parrot. I got lots to do. I came into town for about a week. I have tons of things to do. I have more than I want to do. I brought up so much stuff up to North Carolina, and I feel like I have more than I need up there, and I came down and I still have so much stuff down here. So I think my time with the Nauti Parrot has come to a close. I'm actually going to play for horses today at some point, so at my old stable that's in my neighborhood. So hope to see y'all there. I'm gonna probably try and pop on a live if they're receptive today. Anyways, thanks for being here. Thanks. If you are not, please like, follow, subscribe. It really helps me reach a lot of people. I do a lot of meditative stuff, a lot of fun stuff, drum circle, jams, and you see me playing for animals, which is like one of my favorite things in the world to do. So anyways, what? You're way up there. You're way up there. You tell them goodbye. You say goodbye. You say goodbye. Say bye. Bye. Here. You tell them goodbye. You say goodbye. You say goodbye. Say bye. Bye. Come on. Come on back. What? You say bye. 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 All right. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. Say bye. Can you say bye? Say goodbye. Goodbye. Say goodbye. He's into animal sounds today. I don't know why. He does talk. He said hello when I first got here. Now he's barking and mewing like a cat. I'm going to miss playing for him when I'm up there full time. But until my house sells down here, I'll be back and forth. So maybe I will come play for him again. Okay, back to what I was saying. Please like, follow, subscribe if you aren't already doing so. And yeah, come on back. Lots of stuff on my page. If I'm just hitting your site for the first time, check my page out. There's some really cool things on there. A lot of which I'm not in, but there's some really, really flippin' cool things on there. So, hey, thanks for being here. I see there's a few of you still here. I enjoyed this. I enjoyed playing for the birds. I love playing for animals. And I will see you guys the next time. All righty. Until then, y'all take care.